So how to make a iron farm in Minecraft? So it's a popular like a problem in Minecraft where to get a good source of iron. So that's kind of the idea. So you can see a lot of comments in this subreddit. Some people said that iron farms are the best way to get a lot of iron. Plus, you can easily do this early game. You just need to find some villagers. So there are some videos on TikTok, like you can see. Only you can use only stone tools is to head for your nearest stone peaks biome. Iron and coal ore generates more frequently at higher elevations. So yeah. Either go caving below level 0 and look for large copper veins, or find a large stony mountain which has lots of exposed iron. The higher up, the better. So yeah, that's what it is. So you can see iron farms. This is one of the most effective methods. Passive iron, you can set up a farm using villagers that spawn iron golems, which you can then kill for iron. Set up an iron farm, search for mountain, put your city in to find iron ore veins. For early game iron, consider using easy villagers to create iron farms. Starting out there, iron farms from easy villagers, that's an option. So that's what you can try.